Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to verify your Discord account so you can unlock full access to features and join servers without restrictions. Verifying your account also helps improve security and protect your profile. Now, on your Discord dashboard, to verify your account, you just need to click on Settings, then User Settings in the lower left part of your dashboard. Once you're here, you can verify your account either by email or by adding a phone number. Here, we will add a phone number so that you can verify your account. Once you enter your number here, you will verify your Discord account by phone number. You can also verify your Discord account by email. If you change your email, you will need to send a verification code to your email so that you can update your email address in Discord. These are the two verification options on your Discord account. And that is how you can verify your Discord account in just a few simple steps. With your account verified, you can enjoy a safer and smoother experience.